Hi and welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Uh, in this video, we'll talk about uh, using null, each null, and some functions. And in the next lecture, we'll talk about use of count and how count works, group by, and order by, where clause, having clause. We have already talked about where clause. So in the next section, our agenda is fixed. We will talk about count and group by. So let's quickly get started. So first of all, we will use our company database. So it run successfully. Let me show you our table employee. So this is our temper. This is our table. As you can see, employee ID 101 is missing. It's not missing actually. It is actually null. Why null? I have intentionally did it. Okay. Since I intentionally did it, so let me explain why. Here is the code. I have already told about the update query. Uh, I have made it null. Why? Because I have to teach you about using of null and each null. So look here, using null and each null is a important thing in SQL, because most of the time the database will data will mismatch, and most of data can be in null format. Okay, so using null and each null is a crucial part. Okay, so let's see. This is my query. Select employee ID, employee name from employee where employee ID is null. Let's see, is it giving us the first row or on the rows? Okay, let's see. Yeah, it giving only the first row. Okay, so the row giver has no employee ID. It is basically null. Okay, so this is called bad data actually. Null means bad data. Okay, so actually the bad data we have to remove the errors, or some we have to do some ATL things. Okay, so it is about is null. Okay, and we can also use only null. Okay, let me see first. Let me show the table first. Select employee. Here it is null. Okay, we also can assign null actually. No, it is wrong actually. So it is about each null. Okay, this is the syntax, and let's move forward for sum. Okay, so first of all, let me show the salary table. This is the salary table. Okay, so what is function? Function, uh, here we are using mathematical function. Okay, so function, instead of, it is a predefined keyword, you can say. So instead of doing manual things, we just call the function, and SQL will automatically understand it. Okay, so salary, is a database table, uh, and here we are doing the sum of salary. That is, here it is a salary column. You can see it. So basically, we are doing all the sum of the rows in the salary column. Okay, so this query is all about this. Select sum in the parenthesis salary from the salary table. Okay, when we will run it, it gives us the whole total salary. Okay, so if a company have to know how much I'm spending on salary, so this query is perfect. Okay, we can also modify it by using group by, where clause, order by, everything. We will do one by one. Okay, not the single time. Okay, so after the it is a sum of salary and it is minimum. Okay, we have to find the minimum salary. Okay, so the minimum salary is 46,000. Okay, and we can also add employee name, that which employees are getting the minimum salary. So sorry, it is not employee name possible, no issue, we can join as we have already learned about join. So we will apply the join actually here. Okay, so let's join left join what table, employee table, and after that on which condition, let's see which row, which column is actually common. Employee ID, I think employee ID is common in both. So actually I have forgot to mention one thing. Okay, so let's see, actually I forgot to mention the alias. Okay, what is alias? Actually alias basically is a nickname. Okay, so see here from salary I can nickname it as only S. Yes, I can. Only one simple word. And I can nickname it the employee table as capital E. And after that, I can say S dot employee ID is equal to E dot employee ID. And that's all. Now I can get. So before doing the joining left join, we see the error. Okay, with the error, but after doing the join, we cannot see the error. Hmm. Oh, actually, it is asking for group by. Since I have not talked about the group by, we will do this query tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So let's do it. What to do in a comment, and we will do in the next session. Okay. Hmm. Next we will do. Okay. Because the things I have already told, we will apply gradually. Okay, we have to do slow process, but definitely we have to do all the process. Okay, so in the average is another function. You already know what is average. I don't have to explain it. Okay, so let's quickly do the query, run the query. So this is the 57,050 rupees is the average salary actually. Okay, so these are most common used functions. If any other functions are important, we will definitely do. The as you can see here, we just use our old concepts like left join. So in the coming sections, we also do the same things also. Okay. So I think it is enough for the today. We will discuss tomorrow in the next session. Okay. Thank you.